Good morning, class 9C. Today is 7th August. I will continue with the chapter 8, Energy Flow and its Sources. The topic I will take today is first global warming. Global warming means increase in the temperature of Earth. Increase in the average temperature of Earth due to increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now let's see what are the causes of global warming. These are the 5 major causes of the global warming. Let's study. First one is deforestation. The deforestation means cutting down of plants and trees. And why we are cutting it? To make a way for development activity. Fuel which we get from the wood. And wood we are getting by cutting down of the plants and trees. So this is a leading cause of the global warming. Second, fossil fuels. Now fossil fuel, whether it is industrial or whether it is electrical or whether it is vehicular, pollution is caused, and due to which the global warming is increasing. Third is landfill. Landfill means when you throw garbage out of your houses, it goes where? It goes into the landfill. And when you burn the garbages, what happens? It releases the toxic gases that also leads to the global warming. Fourth is overpopulation. There is another cause for the global warming is overpopulation. Due to this, carbon dioxide contributes CO2. Carbon dioxide is CO2. This leads to the increase in global warming. Last fifth one is mining. Oil and coal are the two major culprits in producing greenhouse gases, and due to which global warming is increased. Now we will study what are the impacts of global warming on the life of Earth. So first one is change in climate in different part of the world. So climate is changing in different part of the world because of this increase in the global warming. And due to change in climate in different part of the world, what happened? The animals or the peoples are migrating from one place to the other. Second is change in regional climate. And due to change in this regional climate, an immediate impact is on the organism, simple organism or simple plant. Third is due to this change in Earth's ecology, that ecological balance is disturbed. Fourth, increase in heat stroke death. Because of the global warming is increasing, so heat stroke is increasing, and due to which it is increase in the number of death. Fifth, change in blooming season of different plants. So these are the impact of global warming. Now last is future prediction. What are the future predictions because of the global warming? First is disappearance of plant and animal species. Because of this global warming, the animal from the equatorial region are shifting to the higher altitude. That means in search of the ice and cold region. So they absorb more carbon dioxide by ocean, which will cause acidified, due to which marine species will also migrate. Second is warming of ocean, and the temperature is increasing, so the temperature of the ocean will also increase, and because of that increase in the temperature of the ocean, some species will disappear or some species will be disappear or they will be destroyed. Third one is melting of glacier. Due to the increase in the temperature, some glaciers are melting. Like Greenland has experienced, this is a glacier, Greenland has experienced 32 glacier earthquake in 1 year. Now shift in farming region. Because of this increase in temperature, nearly 3 degree is increasing temperature, due to which poor crops are yield quality, and that malnutrition is also increasing. So the farmers are shifting now from one place to another, that means from the lower altitude to the higher altitude. Next is fifth one, change in sea level or regional climate. When the temperature is increasing, so what happened? Temperature is increasing, the ice on the sea is melting, and due to which the sea level is increased, and that can lead to the flood and cause damage. The second last is AC cost. Because of this global warming, in the future the AC cost will increase, and that will also consume more electricity. Last is new diseases. Seventh one, because of this global warming, many new diseases will emerge because bacteria can survive in increased temperature and they multiply when the temperature is more. So these are the future prediction of the global warming.